When the sun comes up in the morning, my body is very in tune with that, and I just naturally always wake up whenever the sun rises, and I do my morning ritual, sunning my perineum. I like to place my perineum directly towards the sun because it's the divine masculine energy that activates it. Its warm, penetrative rays provide vitamin D. It's essential for my well-being.
So we've got 3 videos we've released in tandem this week in order to acknowledge Friday the 13th. One is the slightly extended director's cut of our Halloween special where we camped out in a gold rush graveyard. The second is this one. Right here. Starting this YouTube journey roughly 3 years ago. Part journal, part travel vlog, part continued practice of the dark woodland arts. Dun, dun, dun. Along the way, I decided to post some psychological rants and raves about our society as relative to my ID fixe and my previous profession. I hate to group them in with the whole Gen X rant and rave channels. Though I do love those, I'm just trying to go for something a little different here. I think I prefer to think of them as the daily affirmations of the middle-aged crotchety woodsman going on old man. Gives me a chance to vent and get some stuff off my chest and throw it out into the world. Not that this is one of them, but this one just went up, marking our 3rd in tandem release for this week. Right now, we're just walking through the woods, contemplating the loneliness concept of a faceless audience. So after you're done checking out our horror-filled Freaky Friday director's cut from Halloween, as well as our latest rant and rave video, go ahead and check out this playlist of what we're calling Daily Aspirations. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, know your exits, and carry a good book.
They don't like us. They don't like us. They ain't gotta like us.